44. Court number 11. Players, Alison Inces. And Rizian Arayan. And Ryan. Game number 43. Court number 9. PSME versus IIEE. Winner, IIEE. Game number 48 at Court 9. Players, Francis and Carl versus Numera and Gio. Once again, game number 48 at Court 9. Players, Francis... Hindi siya... Francis ba? Francis ka ba, sir? Francis. Sir, number 48 ka. Court 9. Tsaka 6 si Carol.
Ayan po, paluan ko.
Ayan. Versus Numera and Gio at Court number 9.
Okay, game 44.
Ito na sa game last game.
Nice 10 1. Nice 10.
May panalo naman.
Top 1 versus top 1, top 2 versus
Tapos, ano na yung ranking ng sir? Iiwan na na din. Pero ito na third down pa. Sino sa third down?
third round yung mananalo sa
So,
Uwi ka na sir.
ano yung nakaapat na game?
Guys, ano na iwan laro? Ako break for bisita.
Guys, pwede mo makainin ng lineman for court number 9. Yung nanalo kanina sa team, sir. Sino yun? Dondon at saka si Nathan. Aaron. Aaron, ikaw pala sa laro. Nasaan siya? Aaron. Nathan. Ayun, may linesman. Dito sa kabila, sir.
Sabi ko na nga ba?
Okay lang.
Sir, follow. 4:30, Marco, Anthony, versus Sam, 30. Marco and Anthony.
Court number 13, players Marco and Anthony versus Sam and Victor. Once again, player from PSME, Marco and Anthony versus Sam and Victor, IIEE, at court number 13.
Sam, Victor, sino yun? Ayun, Anthony.
Ay, nandun pala si Victor. Sino yung isa?
Si Anthony and Marco.
Marco and Anthony, PSME. Calling Marco and Anthony of PSME. Court number 13. Once again, calling Marco and Anthony of PSME. Please proceed at court number 13. Once again. Once again.
Baka ma-pulpit.
Oo nga eh. Andiyan na sila sa kabila. Linesman at court number 13. Volunteer. We need a linesman for... Kuha tayo doon, Joel at saka si Danny. Kumuha sa players. Linesman. Kumuha talaga sa naglalaro. Sir Randy, baka pwede pa linesman. Tsaka isa doon. Wala na, nawala. Ay, ito na sila Danny. Tsaka si Joel. Siyempre, guguluhin ko yung kaligayahan niyo. Diba? Ayan. United Filipino Professional Inter-Org Badminton Cup Season 2. Live at IIE YouTube channel. PSME versus IIE. Last game for Court 9, Court 11, and Court 13 for the first round. Tama ba? For the first round. Court number 9, ISEP versus UAP. Court number 11, ISEP versus PAI. At court number 13, IIE versus PSME.
Match point. 12.
Court number 11 concludes the game and the winner is Pies! Nice game, Pies and Isaac. Picture! Si Isaac. Congratulations!
Ulitin lang.